Hello Internet. As I was walking with our dog this morning, I noticed that this day would be beautiful, and after a couple of hours, well, you can see it's really beautiful weather here. Maybe plus 12 degrees, and of course some snow still visible, but roads are clear and dry. And I took my bike, and I think I'm going to have a noon coffee somewhere nice place, and maybe take some nice photos or videos of places nearby. So we'll see. I have been riding this bike a few times, and every time it seems, when I start riding, every time it seems that this is an odd bike, and I never ever get used to this bike, so that it's familiar for me. But pretty soon, after a few kilometers riding this bike, it starts to feel familiar and easy to ride. This is not finally a tuned bike, so it takes well, some more tuning regarding this position of sidecar and toe in or toe out and those things, but otherwise it's quite relaxed to ride 70-80 kilometers per hour. But of course I haven't get used to this right hand turning yet, so I have to be very cautiously all those bends. But yeah, it starts to feel familiar, but there's many kilometers ahead with this bike, and it takes usually many kilometers after you can say that this bike is I know this bike very well, and it's easy to ride everywhere. So I'm totally novice rider with this sidecar bike, and especially with this Ural. I don't know all its crazy things yet, but we'll see. Every day is a new day for me with this bike so far. So heading towards noon coffee and some nice places to visit with this bike. See you at the coffee break. Well, that was good coffee and donut. Then I'm continue to some beautiful place. Let's see if I can ride my bike there. If there's some snow, then it's not possible, but we'll see. So this trip is almost over. It was really fun to ride, and the weather was beautiful here today, and I think that spring truly has come. So see you in the next video.